Welcome, I'm from using Motorola Edge, and today I'll show you how to put the device into fastboot mode. Now to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. Once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down. So both of those keys at the same time. And from here, using volume keys, you want to select recovery mode. There we go, and confirm it with power key. Next thing we should see is the Enter it with no command, and we will need to get past this by holding the power key and pressing volume up once, like so. As you can see, we're now in recovery. So again, using volume keys, you want to select Enter Fastboot Mode and confirm it with power key. And as you can see, we're now in fastboot mode. Now in this mode, you can reboot the device, enter back to the recovery mode or back to the bootloader, which we were in the first place, or simply power off the device. And again, same premise, you use volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm. Now because I want to leave, I'm just going to select reboot system now, confirm it, and the device will now boot back to Android. And as you can see, now the process is finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.